Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a DIY designer top for baby girls. So this collection came out a few years back and I've been loving it since then. So I finally decided to make something like this, and initially I wanted to make a shirt for myself, but then I thought itne sequins kaun lagayega. So I thought I should make something like this for my niece. This is pretty much everything that we need for this project. Tissue fabric for the base and most importantly sequins. छोटे बड़े, बहुत छोटे, बहुत बड़े, shiny, glittery, matte, हर किस्म के sequins. Because this project, my friends, it is the game of sequins. Now for what we are going to do with these sequins. सबसे पहले हम अपना fabric cut करेंगे, whatever silhouette you want. मैंने इसको simple देसी shirt cut किया. And now for the tricky part, which is not very tricky. In fact, it is very simple. We'll take the sequins, throw them over the fabric, whatever composition they'll make, and then sew them. That's it. We'll repeat this process all over the shirt. We'll throw on the sequins, they'll form a cluster, we'll sew them, and we will repeat this process again and again until we're done. So this is how we're gonna do this. We'll take a sequin, sew it on the fabric, and that is it. I have started on the sleeve first, and this is the progress. I think I'm going in the right direction because they are looking pretty cool. मैं पता क्या सोच रही हूँ, कोई बात नहीं, मैं कर लूँगी, लेकिन I want one for myself too. It is looking so cool. I'm loving it already. Quick update. Look at those reflections. Pretty, very pretty. So now I'm happy with it. I think it is enough, otherwise बहुत crowded हो जाएगा. So one down and two more to go. लें जी, अब बारी है shirt की, and I have pasted some crystals over it because why not? Look at these purple ones. They're so reflective. So good. Gee, so this is the sleeve. You guys have seen it before. Now I am going to show you the top. Yes, I've completed it and it is looking so good. This is so me. This is me as a designer on a piece of fabric. I'm loving it so much, so much. It's done, all three of them completed. And it makes me so happy that I have completed them in just 3 days. वरना जितनी मैं lazy हूँ, I would have taken weeks or even months to complete it. लेकिन I've done it and it looks so good, so good. Alright you guys, I have completed the sewing part and it's time now for the big reveal. 1, 2, 3 and ta-da! How cute is it looking in this smaller size? We can pair it with shorts like this for a casual wear, or some lacy bottoms like sharara garara for a formal wear. And that's it for this video. If you guys do like this project, please consider subscribing my channel, and thank you for watching this video.